What's up, guys? James living in paradise. We're just heading out here. It's about 5 o'clock on a Wednesday afternoon in the Caribbean. Let me show you where we're going. Right here. Beautiful, guys. It just stopped raining. There's nobody on the beach. Look at this. So right over here, we're going to hang out right over here somewhere. And there's nobody here. And I want you to continue watching this video because I'm going to explain to you exactly how at the age of 47, I semi-retired because I've been making money on the internet since 1996, and I have 6 or 7 streams of income coming in automatically, even while I'm sleeping. I wake up in the morning, I check out my accounts, and I've got thousands of dollars coming in. Now, I'm not bragging. I'm just here to help anybody who is at a point in their life where you would like to live a life of paradise and live the lifestyle you want. Go wherever you want, whenever you want, at any time, and retire at the age of 47, 48, maybe 50, because guys, everything has changed. Retirement is not at 65 anymore. If you're planning to retire at 65 and you have a job and you don't have other income, you're screwed. You're effed. You're not going to be able to retire. So, and then sometimes when you're hanging out in paradise, you get a rainbow right on the Caribbean Sea. Can you guys see that right over my head? Okay, so while we're hanging out here on the beach in the Caribbean, let me talk real quick about all the incomes you want to have. And I can only base this on what I have. So number one, you want to have your normal job, right? Whatever job or business you're running right now, full-time, 7 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours a day, whatever you're doing, okay, that's your first income. Then you want to take about 70% of your income, and if you can't take 70% of your income because you got too many monthly bills, that's a big problem, your problem. You need to get rid of a lot of those bills, and that's what I help people do. I help people take about 50% of their current expenses and bills, and we delete them, we wipe them out, we get rid of them, okay? And I can help you do that live on a call. Tap the link below this video in the description at any time. The second income is real estate. You want to take about 70% of your income, and you want to start putting it into rental properties, because think about it this way, guys. When you turn 45 or 50 or whatever age you're at right now, let's say you're 45, okay? And you have 10 rental properties, 10 rental properties, and each property is renting out for $2,000 a month, okay? That's $20,000 a month of income. Now, if half of that goes to paying the bank back for the loans you have on the properties, you're still banking and your cash in your pocket. You're pocketing 10 grand a month. 10 grand a month. Now tell me, would that help you at the age of 40, at the age of 45, at the age of 55, at the age of 75? Would $10,000 a month help you coming off 10 rental properties? What if I can show you how to get 20, 30, 50 properties where you've got $20,000, $25,000 a month coming in cash, profit in your pocket off your rental properties, and then you can retire. Guys, we have people who are 35 years old and they are retiring, semi-retiring, just from owning rental properties. The third income you want to have, guys, you want to have products and services selling on the internet so you have automated income. So you can sell a product on the internet, make yourself an extra 300, 400, 500 a day. But guys, that adds up because the internet is open 24 hours a day. So if you're making even an extra $100 a day times 30 days a month, that's an extra $3,000 a month in your pocket cash. You take that 3 grand, buy another real estate, buy another rental property. You always put your money into real estate because it's guaranteed to make you money in retirement, guys. Okay, number 4 income. You want to start investing into affiliate marketing. You want to sell other people's products like Amazon. Become an Amazon affiliate partner, sell their products, they'll pay you a commission every single day, okay? So if you can sell just $20,000 worth of products every month, you're gonna get about a 5%, average 5% commission on that. Not bad, guys, okay? On $20,000, that's not bad, an extra $1,000 a month. Come on, it all adds up, guys. That's $12,000 a year, extra money in your pocket. Put that $12,000 into another rental property because you'll never have to work for the rest of your life. The 5th type of income you want is investing in stocks. You want to find a couple of really good stocks that are solid, that are always increasing in value, all right? And you can get returns on those while you sleep. You also want to invest in stocks that will give you dividends. Every quarter, every year, you're going to get a dividend check. And just an extra $1,000, $2,000 a month in dividend checks from a good blue-collar stock, guys. And guys, the stock market is no secret. More millionaires and billionaires have been made in the stock market and real estate in the history of the world, and it's still continuing, and it's even getting bigger and better. The 6th income, you want to start looking into crypto, guys. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. Shoo, you want to get into crypto. Crypto is not going anywhere except up. Okay, it's just taking its time, but in the next 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 years, guys, it will explode because everything is transitioning into digital currency. Think about this: when you send a bank wire, from bank account to bank account, it's digital money, guys. It's not real money. It's It's in the air. It's fake money. But when it lands in somebody's bank account like mine, it's real. I can go to the bank and I can take the cash out. Same thing with crypto, guys. Crypto you can turn into cash now. I don't know if you've been living under a rock for the last 5 years. Crypto is number one. Okay, you want to get into crypto investing? If you need help, tap the link in my under the video. Get on a call with me, guys. I'll show you how to get involved for minimal risk, minimal to zero risk. Okay. The seventh income and the last income that I would ask anyone to absolutely get involved in, guys, okay? And this is the last income you would ever need for the rest of your life. You want to invest into yourself. You want to run your own business where you are the owner, you are the CEO, you are the boss, you are in control, and you want to have that business online. Whether it's renting apartments, selling real estate, whether it's selling a product online, whether it's selling a coaching course. My coaching courses, my mentorship, mastermind mentorship program. Guys, it's very lucrative. It's extremely profitable. When people come into my program, that money goes into them, and also there's a huge profit as well, okay? Because we have to put a lot of time, hours, days, and months into helping somebody change their lifestyle. So those are the 7 incomes. If you get all set up with all those, guys, we can help you get set up with all those in the next, literally in the next 30 days or less. You can start building a massive fortune for you and your family, a legacy that you can leave your children, your kids, or maybe not leave them anything. Maybe you can just die with all the money. That's up to you. But if you're interested in developing and setting up these 7 incomes, guys, 7 incomes that ask any multimillionaire or billionaire, ask a billionaire, how many incomes do you have? They at least have 3 minimum or more, okay? 7, you don't need much more, guys, okay? And remember this. Remember what I said, real estate, and the stock market, now the crypto market, investing, trading, and making a profit on your money, making your money work for you through rental properties, through commercial buildings, through any time somebody is renting out your property, you're making money. You need to own real estate, you need to own stocks, and you need to own crypto, okay? If you'd like my help, tap the link under the description in the description in this video. Sorry, I'm talking fast. I'm trying to get all this in within a couple of minutes. And guys, keep watching my videos, okay? My name is James Paradise. I live in the Caribbean full-time. I'm semi-retired at the age of 53, and I'm probably going to be totally retired in the next 10 years. Just don't have to do anything for the rest of my life because I've got $100,000, $150,000, $200,000 a month coming in automatically while I'm sleeping. That's what I want to help you do. Smash the like button, subscribe, and guys, make a comment. Comment below. Tell me your comment. Even if it's negative, I don't care. We love negative comments. In fact, most of my best clients are negative Karens, hillbilly, rude, really rude people in the beginning. But when I finally get them on the phone and I smack the saliva out of their mouth and I make them realize they need to make a massive change in their life, then they thank me because that's how I do it. All right, I'll see you soon. Tap the link in the below this video in the description again. And guys, just have a great day and contact me now.